Guys, so today I am going to review this Patanjali Kesh Kanti hair conditioner, almond and olive. So if you want to know more about this product, then please keep on watching. So starting with the packaging, it comes in a tube like this, and this is 100 gram of product. In this tube you will get 100 gram of product, and this is a pretty sturdy tube, and it has a flip cap which closes with a click sound, so it is nice and sturdy. Nothing part looks like this here, almonds and olives are drawn here, and the product detail name is written here, and all the details of the product written on the back side. It retails for rupees 60, and you get 100 gram of product, and the shelf life of this product is 24 months from the date of manufacturing, which is pretty good. And it consists of olive oil, almond oil, amla, and so many other herbal things are in this conditioner. So starting with the review part, I just like this conditioner. I can see the difference, like after using this shampoo, when I use this conditioner, my hair becomes very soft, and I can easily pass my fingers through my hair like this, and it becomes very soft and easily manageable. So how I wash after washing with this shampoo, I just take a little bit of the product and I apply it nicely on the ends, basically this part, because the ends gets to dry very quickly. So I need good quantity of conditioner to my ends. So after applying this, I leave the conditioner for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I just wash it off with the normal water. And after washing, I just when my hair become a little damp, that time I comb my hair, and it gives a nice shine, and my hair becomes so smooth that I can't tell you. You have to try it, guys, and I'm sure that you will like this product. For those who have a problem that this shampoo only makes their hair very dry, I'm sure that using this conditioner with this shampoo will help you out, and it will freeze down your hair, tame down your hair, and your hair will become nice and soft and manageable. And it is travel friendly. This is very small, you can easily take it. The best part is the fragrance. It has a very nice what I can't explain you the exact fragrance. That is very flowery, and it remains in the hair for almost 2 days, and it feels like you have put a hair perfume in your hair, and it gives a very nice and fresh feel. Is a little issue because you have to check out the Patanjali stores only, or the stores which keeps the Patanjali product. Show you the consistency of this product. As you can see, that is very creamy and not very runny, not very thick. This is a perfect consistency for any conditioner, and it easily glides in the hair, and you need little bit of the product and it goes a long way. And I just love the fragrance. I can keep on smelling it for hours and hours, and it is so nice. Seriously guys, this product is very good, just very good. Go and get this and start using it, you will see the difference. And I hope this review will be helpful to you, and if you have any suggestions, then please do let me know in the comment bar, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.